Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah,
Am I audible?
yeah.
So, good afternoon and warm wishes to our esteemed guests, respected principal, teachers, staff, and students. Welcome to today's online session on startup and success stories. In today's fast-paced world, the entrepreneurial spirit is more vibrant than ever. As we gather here virtually, we unite under a common compassion for innovation, growth, and pursuit of success. Throughout our session, we'll delve into the dynamic realm of startups, where visionaries transform ideas into realities and challenges into opportunities. From humble beginnings to remarkable achievements, we explore to diverse pathways that lead to triumph of entrepreneurial landscape. As we navigate through this session, I encourage you to embrace curiosity, active participation, and immerse yourself in the narratives shared by our esteemed guest. Let their journey ignite your imaginations, fuel your determination, and instill within you the belief that anything is possible with when passion meets perseverance. It is with great pleasure and honor that I introduce our distinguished guest for today's session, Dr. Sanjay Khobragade. Sanjay sir, we would be honored if you could accept our virtual felicitation of this session. Your
Yeah,
presence and
it's my
insights are
pleasure.
invaluable to us and greatly appreciated.
My pleasure. Thank you. I accept the
Thank
invitation.
you, sir.
And
It is my distinct honor to introduce Dr. Sanjay Khobragade sir, an innovative researcher and educationist whose contribution has left an indelible mark on the realms of academics, research, and entrepreneurship. Sir's journey in the field of education spans over 2 decades of dedicated services. For 2 years, he served at Government Polytechnic, Mumbai, followed by an illustrious 23 years tenure at Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, Raigad, Maharashtra. Sir has also authored over 110 journals, demonstrating his unwavering commitment to advancing knowledge and innovation on both national and international levels. His outstanding contribution have been recognized with numerous prestigious awards, including the Young Scientist Award at International Union of Radio Sciences, that is URSI, Symposium in Pisa, Italy in 2004, and the Best Technical Teacher awarded by the Institute of Science and Technology Education, that is ISTE, New Delhi in 2010. In 2014, Sir was honored with gold medal in Avishkar Inter-University Research Competition initiated by the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. His excellence was further acknowledged within the Dr. Ambedkar Ratna Global Changemaker Award at the United Nations, New York in 2018. Throughout his distinguished career, Khobragade sir has held numerous esteemed positions, including finance officer, associate dean professor in charge of startups, and chairman of various councils and committees such as IEEE Vice Chairman, IE Navi Mumbai, and Chairman of University Radio Stations. He is also founder of Buddhist Friend Foundation, the Nalanda Center of E4, and Vivek Pushpalata Enterprises, embodying his commitment to social change, education, and entrepreneurial excellence. Please join me in extend warm welcomes to Dr. Khobragade sir, whose vision, leadership, and tireless dedication continue to inspire us all. Sir, now I request you to share your insights and experiences on today's session.
yeah, are you able to see the screen? Yeah, Anjali madam.
Yes, sir. You can share your screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please check.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible. You just need to go into the slide share so that you can zoom it on.
Yes. Yeah, Anjali madam, please check.
Yes, sir.
Uh, is the screen is visible? Presentation.
No, sir. No, sir.
मला हे जे आहे ना प्रेझेंटेशन
Yes, sir. Visible. Yes, sir. Slides are also changing. खोबऱ्याकडे सर आवाज नाही येते तुमचा.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
जस्ट फक्त थोडंसं 1 मिनिट द्या मी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पुन्हा त्या अनिकेतला पुन्हा बोला. अनिकेत पुन्हा हे करतो का?
शेअरिंग चालू आहे सर. पण आता हे शेअर होत आहे, पीपीटी शेअर होत आहे. अच्छा, तुम्ही क्लोज केलं पूर्ण स्क्रीन शेअर करू का सर?
हां बरं.
आता तुम्ही जे हे होईल ना, जे तुम्ही विंडो ओपन करायची विंडो.
हां तसंच कर. दॅट विल बी बेटर. हां प्लीज चेक मॅडम.
Yes, sir. Everything okay.
Everything okay.
You are also audible.
2 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, thank you very much, the principal, respected principal, Dr. P.S. Salunkesa, IQAC coordinator, Dr. R.D. Amrutkar sir. He is a very good friend of mine, and the event coordinator D.K. Kadam and Dr. A.P. Bedse madam. A.P. Bedse madam is also the coordinator and the OAD for the Avishkar. So this is really the good opportunity for me to interact with all the students of the KK Walk College of Pharmacy. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much for giving me the invitation for this nice lecture. This is a very good presentation for those students who wish to start the entrepreneurship activity in terms of the startup. So what is the meaning of the new the ventures or the simple new kind of the businesses
Sir, sorry to interrupt you.
and the
Could you
startup?
please,
So
hello, sir. Sir, could you please start your video
yeah,
also?
video is not there, madam.
Yes, sir. Video is not there.
Yeah, it is just a simple presentation. So
Camera, sir. You are not visible.
yeah, just
Yes, now
okay.
visible, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now everything is fine. Sorry, some technical issue is there from my side. So now the presentation is ready. Next 1 hour, we'll see the around the 30 slides based upon the start. Now, if somebody would like to start the startup, first of all, he need to know what is the startup, and then the in case of the startup, there is a huge money in terms of the income, and if you want to handle that or you want to earn that particular money, you require the so many things. So the first starting point of the startup is nothing but you require the planning. ओके, याच्यामध्ये एक कोट केलेला आहे, युद्धाच्या तयारीत असताना मला नेहमीच असे आढळले की योजना निरुपयोगी आहेत परंतु नियोजन अपरिहार्य आहे. व्हॉट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ दॅट? द मिनिंग इज नथिंग बट ऑलवेज यू रिक्वायर द प्लॅनिंग. ओके, समटाइम लेट अस टेक द वन एक्झाम्पल. एक साधारणतः आम्ही 10 वर्षाच्या आधी 10-12 वर्षाच्या आधी थायलंडला एका टूरसाठी गेलेलो होतो, अँड देर वॉज अ नियर अबाउट द 50 the friends are there with us. So we just enjoy the what you say that the ride on the seashore. तर तिथं एक करत असताना खूप जोराचं वादळ आलेलं. आता आम्ही तिथं जे गेलेलो आहे तिथं एका मोठ्या बोटीनं फिरायसाठी गेलो आणि त्याच्यानंतर आम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही गेम्स होते ते एन्जॉय करायचे होते. ते एन्जॉय करत असताना एक जण जे आहे तो पॅराग्लायडिंग जे असतं त्याच्यावर तो गेला आणि खूप जोराच्या वादळ आला आणि तो त्या वादळामध्ये वाहून गेला. हे करत असताना आमचं वादळ आलाय, पाणी आलाय आणि सगळं जे काही आमचं प्लॅनिंग होतं किंवा जे काही आम्ही ठरवलेलं होतं ते सगळं कोलॅप्स झालं आणि एक जण वाहून गेल्यामुळे आम्ही घाबरलेल्या परिस्थितीमध्ये होतो. पण तिथं असलेले जे लोक होती ते खूप ट्रेंड होती आणि त्यांनी अक्षरशः त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी व्यवस्थितपणे पुढच्या अर्ध्या ते 1 तासामध्ये सांभाळल्या. काय सांगायचं याच्यामध्ये मला, की आम्ही ज्या काही योजना केलेल्या होत्या, आम्ही जे काही प्लान्स केलेले होते ते प्लान बिकॉज ऑफ द सर्टन द व्हॉट यू से दॅट द कंडिशन्स the complete the plan collapsed. But the whatever the persons that they are available on the seashore, they are the trained one and they handle the situation. So in preparing the for the battle, I have always found that the plan are useless, but the planning is indispensable. Okay. So what is the planning? The planning is nothing but always you require the planning such that it is a dynamic process. Okay, the planning you always require the planning. Means if any business is there, you need to know that what is the market situation. You need to know that what is the demand is there, how much supply you add or provide to the market, so that you will earn the maximum profit. Okay, so for that the planning is required. So it is a dynamic process which has the attributes of the adaptability, market adaptability, market changes, and whatever the situation demands is there, you need to fulfill that particular demand. Okay, so always you require to work on that. Now, okay, the business plan is there. So this business plan is divided into the two parts. One business plan is nothing but the business plan which you can control or handle. तुम्ही स्वतः काही गोष्टी अशा आहेत की ज्या आवाज येतोय
Yes,
माझा
sir.
आवाज
Yes,
येतोय
sir. You are audible. You are audible.
yes. So there are the certain parameters which is under your control. तुमच्या कंट्रोलमध्ये काही गोष्टी असतात आणि काही गोष्टी अशा आहेत की जे बिझनेस प्लॅनिंग करत असताना तुमच्या कंट्रोलच्या बाहेर आहे. So there are the some internal uses, there are the some external uses. What are the internal uses? Thinking about the business or thinking through the business. You need the certain planning of the business growth, business development. Okay, monitoring and the managing performance. There are the certain parameters of the business. You need to check the cash flow. You need to check the number of the centers. You need to check the certain parameters of the business. ओके, आपण ज्या वेळेस त्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व्ह होतो त्यावेळेस ते जे पॅरामीटर्स आहेत बिझनेसचे ते आपल्याला माहिती पडतात आणि you need to control, you need to monitor, you need to manage the performance of the business, keeping the operation aligned, allowing the benchmark to set. हे खूप महत्वाचे आहे ना. You need to set the certain benchmark. So benchmark for what? Benchmark for the 3 months, 1 month, 6 months, year, 3 year, 5 years, 10 years and like that. म्हणजे समजा मी एका महिन्यामध्ये किंवा 3 महिन्यामध्ये एखादी गोष्ट करत असेल, if you consider that I'm creating around 100 or 1,000 product in a say 3 months. So that is the benchmark for the 3 months. But for the next 3 months, I need to set the new benchmark such that based upon the productivity, based upon the number of the people involved in case of that the entire company and something like this. So always you need to allow to set a new benchmark for your company so that there is a growth of the company. Then committing the management team to the same goal, anticipating the change in the structure way. So these are the some certain parameters which you can control. तुमच्या हातामध्ये आहे ह्या गोष्टी, तुम्ही त्या गोष्टी कंट्रोल करू शकता. पण काही गोष्टी अशा असतात ना की बिझनेसमध्ये की ज्या तुमच्या हातामध्ये नाहीये. ओके, समजा तुम्हाला बँकेकडून काही हे घ्यायचे असेल, फंड घ्यायचे असेल, लोन घ्यायचे असेल, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट घ्यायचे असेल, so bank financing and investment funds, that is not in your control. When the business will grow and you need to allow the other people to involve in your business under the strategic alliances, that is not in our control. Sometimes you will get the good partner, sometimes you may not get the good partner, so, or whatever may be the term and conditions are there, that is not in our control. So that depends upon the that time situation and then the merger of the company. Okay, so these are nothing but some external links. Now the some of the basic business plan. आता याच्यामध्ये खूप महत्वाचे कसं आहे की ज्या बिझनेसला आपण वाढवायच्या विचार करतो आहे त्या बिझनेसला मला लोकांना सांगता पण यायला पाहिजे की मी कशा पद्धतीने माझा बिझनेस करतो आहे, सो दॅट आय विल इन्व्हाइट द other companies or the people to invest in your company. So for that you need to write the executive summary. Okay, company overview. What is your miss? In case of the business plan, you need to know all that parameters, product and services, whether that particular your company is involved in the product generation company or your company is involved in the giving the services to the customer. Then market analysis, marketing and the sales strategy, operation, financial plan, exit strategy. Later we'll discuss about the exit strategy also, and then the risk, the cover. This. Now, in case of the startup, maximum the students ask about the funding. Okay, so there are the different agencies who provides the funding. That may be the म्हणजे सुरुवात करत असताना it is from your relative, it is from your friends, it is from the person who know you better, the person who have the good relations with you. Okay, they may provide the fund to you, but after the certain limit, okay, that the fund, it may not be sufficient to grow your business up to the mass level scale. So you need to invite the people to provide to invest in your company and to provide the sufficient funds such that your product or your services may be the scalable to the big level. Then for that you need to write the executive summary. the summary in such a way that it will be just the enough for the others to know the finance or the operation or to know the everything about the your business. We call that as a pitch. So you are able to nicely write the 60-second pitch. बऱ्याचदा एखाद्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवर तुमच्या पूर्ण जे बिझनेस आहे ना ते बिझनेस एखाद्या व्यवस्थित पद्धतीने लोकांना एक्सप्लेन करायचे असेल तर ते एका मिनिटामध्ये तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करता यायला पाहिजे. वी कॉल दॅट इज ॲज अ पिच. Okay, 60 seconds pitch. So many people who read your plan will only read your the executive summary, and then they may read the financial. तुमच्या बिझनेस मध्ये नवीनता काय आहे, तुमच्या बिझनेस जेव्हा आपण स्टार्टअप म्हणतोय, हाऊ इट इज इन्वॉल्व और हाऊ इट इज रिलेटेड विथ द पीपल, कस्टमर, हाऊ दे involve the others, the efforts, money, property, everything, so that that will be the combined business for everyone, yourself also and for the others also. So this executive summary, it is not the introduction, but it is a short version of the whole plan. So the entire plan you need to explain in just a 60 seconds. Then the details of the business, you require the company overview. So explanation of the history, structure, and organization of your company. Strategic direction means suppose our university is there, na? So the university is for what? The university is giving the some knowledge to the students, okay, and that too for the different. Say in our university we have the engineering, pharmacy, hotel management, catering technology, and architecture discipline. So the knowledge of all the branches, so vision and the mission, goal and the objective. Okay, so vision and the mission for the short term, vision and mission for the long term, and the statement of the vision and the mission. Then the people involved in your company, relevant skills and the expertise of the management team, directors, relationship with the experts in the field, and the advisors. So if we will consider the university, there is a structure of the university. The you can say that sometime the board of governance, the executive council, academic council, the vice chancellor, then the statutory portion officers, the faculty members, dean, professors, the assistant professors, all the teaching, the personnel, non-teaching staff member. Then after that, there's some skilled worker, security personnel, and all that thing. Means the if we'll take the example of the workshop. For the workshop, we need the skilled person in the workshop. For the skill development, the department, for the computer department, for the ICT, and for the each and everyone. Okay. So the people, those involved in case of your company, they have the different tasks. You need to write down the entire company overview for that. Then the what is the miss, you can say that what kind of your company is there, whether you are providing whether you are manufacturing the certain products or whether you are providing some kind of the services to the people. You require to take the follow up on your product also. That is a very important one, because to grow your particular company, you should take the follow up from the people. म्हणजे समजा आपण एक साधंच एक्झाम्पल घेऊयात ना, की एखादं समजा किराणा मालाचं शॉप असेल किंवा एखादं जनरल शॉप असेल की ज्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही वेगवेगळे प्रॉडक्ट तुम्ही तयार करताय आणि त्याच्यातनं सेल करताय, त्या शॉपमधून सेल करताय. मग तुम्हाला लोकांचं फीडबॅक घेणं आवश्यक आहे, गरजेचं आहे. So your company, your product selling depends upon the feedback of the customer. Okay, so you need to continuously take the market feedback, people feedback, the customer feedback, so that you are able to enhance, you are able to change the product, you are able to change the services, you are able to adopt the some technology or the services or a different kind of the mechanism, so that you are able to sell your product or sell your services very nicely, and you can enhance the you can say that the selling capacity or the providing the services to the people. Okay, so that capacity, intellectual property right or the entry barriers, and what is the your key point is there, what is your brand is there, or what is the USP, your USP is there. Okay, this. Now once again the same thing is there. Product development never ends. जसं मी आता एक एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं होतं की एखादं प्रॉडक्ट तुम्ही डेव्हलप करताय, एखादं सर्व्हिसेस तुम्ही डेव्हलप करताय, Okay, so with the help of that, means suppose you take the example of the any, suppose the any vehicle company is there, na? If I'll take the example of the Hyundai company, Tata company, okay, or Maruti the company. So what they are doing every time they are developing the new model, new design, okay, and with the help of that particular the design they enter into the market. So that is nothing but you can say that the with the thorough research, okay, they are developing the any kind of the new model with the some specific design for that, okay, and they enter into the market. Once they enter into the market, okay, they take the review, they take the feedback from the people. ओके, मध्यंतरी टाटाने एक आपली छोटी व्हेकल नायनो आहे ती मार्केटमध्ये लॉन्च केलेली होती. व्हॉट इज द की पॉइंट ऑफ दॅट? ओके, द कॉस्ट. हां, त्याची जी हे होती कॉस्ट होती ती खूपच कमी होती आणि अफोर्डेबल टू ऑल द पीपल. सो दॅट वॉज द की पॉइंट फॉर दॅट. Then they took the feedback and they once again the modify the whatever the design is there, and like that for all the designs they are doing the same thing. हां, तर प्रत्येकाच्या याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या व्हेरायटीज आहेत, कॉस्ट आहे, डिझाईन आहे, फीचर्स आहेत. ओके, and once that particular the product is available into the market, depending upon the people's feedback, depending upon the customer's feedback, once again they change that particular the model. They adopt the you can say that the certain technology or certain the features, they add the certain features and relaunch the same into the once again the market. So this is all is nothing but it is the continuous process. Research, feature design, okay, sanitary check with the users. Once again they modify the modification of the design review, implementation on the product designing, and once again learn from the users. So this is the non-stop cycle is there for all the kind of the product or the services. Then the market analysis. The market analysis is the very important one. Okay, what kind of the product you are making and what is the market available with you. So if we take the example of the any say Nashik, okay. So what is the important product in case of the Nashik? नाशिक मध्ये काय आहे? द्राक्ष आहेत. हां, नाशिकच्या बाजूला तुम्ही समजा जळगावला गेले तर तुम्हाला अजून तिथे केळी वगैरे तुम्हाला मिळतील. हां, अजून इकडे तुम्ही कोकणामध्ये आला तर तुम्हाला हापूस आंबे मिळतील. So what is that? What is this is the speciality of that particular the region. But if I'd like to sell that particular the special product in a different market, then the market structure will be the different and the output will be different. म्हणजे समजा हापूस आंबे आम्हाला इथं कोकणामध्ये मिळत आहेत. If I'd like to sell that particular the Alfonso in the Konkan market, I may not get that much response. But if I'll sell the same Alfonso on the highway, some maybe I will get the good response on the highway. Okay. Now, if instead of the highway, if I'll sell the same thing on the district market, the market structure will be different. If I sell the same thing in case of the Vasi market, once again that will be the huge market for the Alfonso. If I'll get the some vendor from the foreign country, okay, it may be say the Gulf country or it may be the some Asian country or it may be the, say European country, okay, then that will be the biggest market for me. Okay, so it depends upon the market structure, how many market structure is there. Okay, so that is the market analysis, means where you are selling, what is the size of your the product, what is the share of the your product, and what is the structure of the your market. So market trend, market rate, market factors. Sometimes you take the example of the आता मध्यंतरी कोरोना पिरियड येऊन गेलेला आहे. त्या कोरोना पिरियडमध्ये समजा तुम्ही बघितलं असेल की सगळं काही जे होतं ते ऑनलाईन होतं. मग जे ऑनलाईन मनी वॉलेट आहे, मग समजा ते पेटीएम असेल, गुगल पे असेल, हे असेल, ते सडनली तुम्ही बघितलेलं असेल की त्याची जी ग्रोथ आहे ना ते खूप मोठ्या स्पीडनं वाढलेली आहे. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट? दिस इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द मार्केट ट्रेंड, त्या मार्केट डिमांड. त्यावेळची जी ऑनलाईनची जी मार्केट होती ती त्यावेळची मार्केट होती आणि आता कदाचित भविष्यामध्ये अजून ती वाढणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर ऑनलाईन एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम. ओके, सो देर आर द सो मेनी ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म्स अवेलेबल ड्युरिंग दॅट टाइम. त्यातलं एक एक्झाम्पल बायजूचे आपण तुम्ही आता कन्सिडर करा. बायजू इज नथिंग बट द बिगेस्ट स्टार्टअप इन केस ऑफ द ऑनलाईन ई एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम. So it depends upon the what kind of the market trends is there, and you are able to know the that particular the market trend, and you are able to catch the market trend such that you are able to grow your own business. Then who is the competitor for you? You need to analyze that particular things also. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट समजा मला करत असताना, आता मी हापूस आंबे विकतो आहे, तर मला हापूस आंबे विकत असताना मला 100 वेगवेगळे वेंडर्स किंवा 100 वेगवेगळे लोक जे हापूस आंबे विकतात ते पण त्याच ठिकाणी विकतात ज्या ठिकाणी मला विकायचे आहे. सो व्हॉट इज द स्पेशालिटी इन केस ऑफ द माय प्रॉडक्ट? म्हणजे समजा मला अमृत अमृत चहा म्हणून काहीतरी आता नवीन ते ट्रेड येत आहे. ओके, तर त्या माझ्या चहाच्या याच्यामध्ये काय वेगळं आहे, माझ्या कॉफीच्या याच्यामध्ये वेगळं काय आहे, मी जे नाश्ता प्रोव्हाइड करतोय समोसे किंवा बाकीचे वडापाव हे करतोय सेल करतोय त्याच्यामध्ये काय वेगळेपणा आहे. So always there is a big competition in case of anything you would like to sell, any kind of services you would like to provide. Okay, you need to check what is the competition is there, and then you need to find out what is the problem in case of that particular the selling, or problem in case of that particular the product. So finding out the problem is nothing but the opportunity for you. So you need to catch that particular the opportunity, and then there are the some kind of just like a means the situation. Just you take the example of the just now the in case of the Ayodhya, Amitabh Bachchan is purchase or a purchase the new big hotel. Purchase म्हणा किंवा त्यांनी तिथं त्याच्यासाठी जमीन घेतलेली आहे म्हणा एक 5 स्टार किंवा 7 स्टार हॉटेल बांधण्यासाठी. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट वन्स अगेन द मार्केट अपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर हिम. तशाच पद्धतीनं वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनं what kind of the new you can say that the situation is arises so that you are able to catch that particular the situation. म्हणजे समजा आता एखादा मोठा हायवे तयार होतो आहे, so that highway is nothing but the it is the opportunity for the everyone to create their own the jobs there or the business the platform there. Okay, then now we'll jump to the startup activity. So this is all about the business activity, and after the business activity we'll see the startup. What is the meaning of the normal business activity and the startup activity? ओके, साध्या एका शब्दामध्ये मला स्टार्टअप आणि सिंपल जे बिझनेसेस आहेत त्या दोन्ही याच्याला मला वेगळं करून सांगायचं. स्टार्टअप म्हणजे काय आहे? स्टार्टअप म्हणजे असं आहे की ज्या वेळेवर तुम्ही समजा घरी रिलॅक्स करत असाल तरीही तुमचे जे बिझनेस आहे ते 24/7 सुरू असेल. द पीपल इन्वॉल्व इन दॅट पर्टिक्युलर द बिझनेस इन केस ऑफ द स्टार्टअप दे वर्क फॉर यू. ओके, they invest for you, they provide their own property for you, and they are working for you, and during that particular the process they earn the 90% profit, and you earn hardly the 2% or 3% profit. But when the scale will be the huge one, when the billions and the billions of the people involved in your business, okay, then they will provide you that much huge amount to you. Okay, and they earn the little bit from the that. So that kind of way the any business idea, it is called as a startup. Okay, startup मध्ये जसं you take the any example. Okay, just समजा any say the transport company or yo-yo kind of the hotel company. So you will take the in case of the taxi. Okay, so the startup is nothing but the what? Startup is nothing but it is the platform provided for you. Okay, for the any taxi driver. मग ह्या टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरची जी टॅक्सी आहे ती त्या टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरची आहे, जी मेहनत आहे ती त्या टॅक्सीवाल्याची आहे, जे एफर्ट्स आहेत जो टाइम हे करतोय तो त्या टॅक्सीवाला करतोय. देन व्हॉट इज द startup? Startup is nothing but it is they provides the IT solution to the taxi driver. म्हणजे त्याला कुठल्याही वेळेमध्ये तो खाली राहू नये, त्याच्या जवळच्या कस्टमर आहे त्याला इमिजिएटली माहिती पडायला पाहिजे. ओके, त्याच्या याच्यामध्ये जे काही चेंजेस करायचे असतील टॅक्सीमध्ये ते करता यायला पाहिजे, त्याला टेक्नॉलॉजी त्याच्या टॅक्सीमध्ये अवेलेबल करून द्यायला पाहिजे, त्याचे रूल रेग्युलेशन फेस करायला पाहिजे. दॅट काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स the startup the company they are doing. Okay, so based on the collaboration of the startup company and based on the collaboration of the individual person, the startup the growth. Okay, so this kind of the any business idea, okay, which is which involves the people, normal people, is called as a startup. Okay, so in case of the startup validation, what is the major parameters are there? The feasibility, whether it is a practical or not, whether it is a viable or not, support to the business idea, economical or not, marketable, because you require to scale up that particular things at the big level. Then the competition and the financing. Okay, so these all are nothing but the idea validation. If somebody would like to register for the startup, okay, they need to focus on these 8 parameters. Then marketing and the sales strategy. म्हणजे तुमचा product काय आहे, तुमचे business model काय आहे, where you are selling that particular the product or services. So for that you require the distribution strategy. तुमचे जे product आहे ते किती त्याची cost आहे. Okay, if your product is of the 100 rupees and if you are selling that on the 200 rupees, that is not good. Okay, but if the product is of the 100 rupees available in the market and if you are selling that particular the product in the 70 or 80 rupees in the market, okay, then that is the quite good. So the pricing strategy is there. Then the promotion and the brand strategy. Okay, this is the requirement of the marketing and the sales strategy. Now here the you can say that the graphical representation is there. That graphical representation represent the market adoption for your product or the services. So first, you can say that around the 16% is there. That is for the some innovators or early adapters is there. Then the pragmatics, those who are you can say that they're doing something good or something innovative. Okay, they have the, you can say that the 30% of the market share, 34% of the market share, and the same for the conservative one. Those don't like to change their marketing strategy. Okay, so traditional kind of the business comes under this, and then the skeptics or there is a the percentage of that is nothing but the 16%. Okay, operation. So next you can say that the 5 minutes we'll discuss about the 5 to 10 minutes we'll discuss about the some, you can say, the parameters of the startup. Okay, and then we'll discuss it, last 10 to 15 minutes we'll discuss about the success story also. So operation, the practical details required to meet the plan, what kind of the facility you are going to provide for your company, the manufacturing or the outsourcing of the product or services, the personnel those who are involved in case of your company, and the varies widely depending upon the types of the business. Financial planning. So 3 key reports in a 5-year plan. This is the very important one. जे आपण एखादा बिझनेस करत असताना त्या बिझनेसचे जे वेगवेगळे पॅरामीटर्स आहेत ते माहिती करून घेणे गरजेचे आहे. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज दॅट इम्पॉर्टंट पॅरामीटर्स आर देयर? इन्कम स्टेटमेंट, बॅलन्स शीट, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द कॅश फ्लो, 3-year प्रोजेक्शन. म्हणजे मला एखादा बिझनेस समजा आता 5-year प्लॅन मध्ये मला बिझनेस समजा 10 कोटीपर्यंत घेऊन जायचा असेल तर 5 वर्षामध्ये माझा बिझनेस समजा सुरुवातीला 10 कोटीपर्यंत घेऊन जायचा असेल तर त्याचे सगळे जे पॅरामीटर्स आहेत, इन्कम स्टेटमेंट, त्याचे मला पहिल्या वर्षाला किती इन्कम यायला पाहिजे किंवा प्रत्येक 3 महिन्यामध्ये मला किती इन्कम यायला पाहिजे आणि माझे एक्सपेंडिचर किती असायला पाहिजे, याचे जे ताळमेळ आहे त्याला आपण बॅलन्स शीट म्हणतो. तर बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये we represent what is the total amount of the income, what is the total amount of the expenditure, and what is the remaining one. The remaining one you need to spend on the once again the infrastructure, once again for the creating the product or providing the services, and that kind of the things is there. Okay, so you need to balance each and everything such that it should not be in the loss. Okay, so if you are in the loss, then it will be very difficult for you to sustain for the 5 years. So you need to keep everything ready, or you need to watch the everything in the every 3 months. Okay, so 3-year projection is there, but quarterly we'll check the each and every parameters of your company so that you are able to adjust the different parameters. Okay, such that there will not be any losses. The requirement and the source of the fund and the investment. Now, in case of the startup, the graphical representation is a very important one. Okay, so for the initial level, seed funding is there. The seed funding, before the seed funding, there is a funding of the individual person, there is a funding from the friend, there is a funding from the family member, there is a funding from the, you can say that those who are the well wishers. Okay, so we call that funding is nothing but your personal funding, angels funding, F and F, the funding. Now maximum the businesses, that businesses depends on the this particular the funding and depends on the this particular the duration. सो हे जे हा जो पिरियड आहे ह्या पिरियडमध्ये समजा तुमचे बिझनेस ग्रो होत असेल तरच तुम्ही समोर जाऊ शकता. मॅक्सिमम बिझनेसेस फेल ड्युरिंग दिस पर्टिक्युलर द टाइम ड्युरेशन if they are not able to handle that particular the funding and if they are not able to provide the services or the make the product and sell that particular the product in the market. म्हणजे समजा एखादी 100 रुपयाची वस्तू आहे, मी 100चे 100 रुपये माझ्याकडे ओतलेले असतील आणि 100 रुपयाचे मी प्रॉडक्ट तयार केलेले असेल आणि मार्केटमध्ये घेऊन गेल्याच्या नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये टफ कॉम्पिटिशन असेल आणि माझे 5 10 आणि 20 रुपयाचे प्रॉडक्ट सेल झालेले असतील. ओके, सो काही वेळेच्या नंतर मी पुन्हा 100 रुपये त्याच्यामध्ये टाकतो आणि पुन्हा माझे 10-20 रुपये होत आहेत. इट क्रिएट द लॉसेस अँड दॅट इफ द लॉसेस इज अ ह्यूज वन, okay, you are not able to sustain in your own business. So that particular the duration, it is called the valley of the death. Okay, you need to cross the valley of the death. If the maximum near about the 70 to 80% business fall in the valley of the death, so hardly the 10% 20% business come out of from the valley of the death because they have the perfect planning to run that particular the business in the startup manner. Okay, once that is come out from the this, then at the early stages and the later stages there is a huge investment from the huge company that we call that is nothing but the venture capitalist acquisition and the merger from the the big short company. We'll discuss this, the acquisition and merger also in case of the success story and the strategic the alliances. Okay, so this when you catch that particular the funding from the big alliances or the capitalists, and after that you are making your the business the scalable at the big level, then you are entering into the share market. Entering into the share market, it will give the stability to the your business because at that particular the point the people investing in your company, okay, you'll get the sufficient fund, and then depending upon your own performance you are able to stay in the market for the longer time duration. Okay, so that is the very important one. IPO and the public market, it is nothing but the target for you. Then later you can say that it is nothing but it is the start a big shot start a company, and you may enter into the you can say that the 7,000 or a 10,000 the US dollar company and something like that. Okay, that will all that is nothing but the big shot the startup company. If you are you allow the other people to invest in your company, you need to give the share to that particular person, individual person or the company also. ओके, whoever may be that. म्हणजे असं नाही होऊ शकत की बाबा एखादा तुमच्या फॅमिली फ्रेंड्स आहे किंवा एखादा तुमच्या फॅमिली मेंबर आहे, मित्र आहे किंवा एखादा वेलविशर आहे, if they are investing in your company, okay, so you are just taking that particular the fund, investing in your company, and you are returning that particular the fund after the some duration. Not like that, but whenever he is investing that, you need to give the some share to that particular the individual person, company, or the any other person or any other shareholder. We can call that is nothing but your own the partner of your company. Okay, we call that as a stakeholder. Okay, so like that, whenever the any individual person, so it may be the thousands of the people, it may be the any big short company, the venture capitalist, or it may be the some the angel investor is there. Okay, so they are investing in your company, means they are taking the share of your company. So sometime if the sharing of that your company is a very huge one, and if it is more than the 50 to 60%, okay, then you have the very less share in your own company. Okay, if it is less than the 50%, if it is less than the 40% and something like that, okay, then that is not your company. Even though you grow your company, own company, but if the sharing of the other people is more than the 50%, then after that this is not your company. This is the others' company. Okay, then you need to think about the merger and acquisition, or you need to sell about your company, or you need to exit from your own company. So that kind of the policy decision, it is called the exit policy. Okay. So selling your company, merging with the other company, liquidate your company or transfer of your company. Okay. So this kind of the practices generally adopt in the market. So that kind of the practices, it is called the exit policy of the the company. So final checklist is there. Okay. So what kind of the important parameter just now we discussed. The important parameters are what is the what kind of a business are you in. Okay, you need to know the plus point and the minus point of your business. You need to the business, the importance, business drawbacks, and everything. What is the purpose of your business? Okay, why you are doing that particular business? Why you need to know the your own target for that particular business. Okay, you should know the what kind of your product is there or whether it is the services. Okay, so your business related with that with the product development or the service development. Okay, how you are related with your vision and the mission and what the benefits do your product or services provide to your customer. कशा पद्धतीने त्याला हे करतात तुम्ही एखादं व्हेकल जनरेट करताय ओके किंवा तुम्ही एखादं सॉफ्टवेअर सर्व्हिसेस प्रोव्हाइड करताय सो ऑल दॅट इज नथिंग बट देअर ओन USP इज देअर ओके अँड देन हाऊ यू आर डेव्हलपिंग युअर आता आधीचे जे होतं व्हॉट इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द किराणा माल अँड द प्रेझेंट स्टार्टअप काय आधीचे जे किराणा मालाचे जे बिझनेस होते ते आणि आताचे स्टार्टअप याच्यामध्ये फरक काय आहे तर किराणा मालाचा बिझनेस हा तुम्ही समजा सकाळी 10 वाजता किराणा माल स्टार्ट करताय बिझनेस स्टार्ट करताय दुकान उघडताय आणि संध्याकाळी 7, 8, 9 वाजता समजा तुम्ही बंद करताय तर दॅट इज युअर ओन इंडिव्हिज्युअल बिझनेस तेवढ्या याच्यापर्यंत तुम्ही स्वतःपुरतं मर्यादित इन्कम अर्न करू शकता okay so that is the kind of the business is there but startup is not like that okay startup समजा तुम्ही कुठलंही समजा योयो घेतलं तुम्ही फ्लिपकार्ट घेतलं तुम्ही पेटीएम घेतलं गुगल जीपे असलं हे घेतलं तर त्या ह्याच्यामध्ये देर इज नो टाइम बॉन्ड देर इज नो यू आर नॉट वर्किंग इंडिव्हिज्युअली फॉर युअर ओन बिझनेस बट देर आर द thousands lakhs and crores of the people are involved in your business तर तो जो बिझनेस आहे तो अनलिमिटेड बिझनेस म्हणून डेव्हलप होतो okay so that is nothing but the key point of your business so you need to know up to what level you want to develop your business what is your vision for your business what is the portion do you visualize yourself in the marketplace okay जी बिझनेसची जी रेस आहे ना ती खूप खतरनाक असते ओके आता ही प्रत्येकाचे लक्ष फोर्ब्सचे जे टॉप लोक आहेत जगामध्ये भारतामध्ये आणि सगळ्या ठिकाणी त्याच्यावर प्रत्येकाचे लक्ष असतं ओके अडाणी एकेकाळी सेकंड नंबर पॉईंट याच्यामध्ये होते रिचेस्ट पर्सन म्हणून होते आताच्या घडीला ते 25व्या नंबरवर आहेत ओके सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी व्हॉट इट इज द रेस इट इज द मार्केट रेस ऑफ द बिझनेस so is your vision statement based in reality or is it aligned with the realistic growth objective okay so these are nothing but the important the points why are you in the uniquely qualified to be in this business these are the final checklist how are you distinctive from the your competition म्हणजे प्रत्येकापेक्षा तुमच्या बिझनेस मध्ये वेगळे की पॉइंट काय आहेत ओके व्हॉट इज युअर लिगल स्ट्रक्चर अँड द नेम म्हणजे तुमचे जे समजा हे असेल समजा आता नायका म्हणून एक हे आहे त्याला स्टार्टअप कंपनी आहे ओके ती रिप्रेझेंट करते की बाबा ती काय सेल करते ओके फ्लिपकार्ट आहे किंवा एखादं जसं पेटीएम आहे पेटीएम म्हटल्याबरोबर आपण हे कन्सिडर करू शकतो की कुठल्या पद्धतीचे ते बिझनेस असेल ओके सो वेदर युअर लिगल नेम रिफ्लेक्ट्स युअर ओन बिझनेस तुम्ही कुठल्या ठिकाणी बिझनेस करता ते पण खूप महत्त्वाचं तुम्ही एखादा खेडेगावी बिझनेस करता तुम्ही एखाद्या तहसीलच्या ठिकाणी बिझनेस करताय तुम्ही एखाद्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्लेसमध्ये करता तुम्ही एखाद्या मेट्रो सिटीमध्ये करता तुम्ही मुंबई दिल्लीसारख्या ठिकाणी करताय किंवा तुम्ही सगळ्या याच्याला कनेक्ट करून एखाद्या नेटवर्क काइंड ऑफ ती याच्याने तुम्ही बिझनेस करताय दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वन ओके व्हॉट स्टेज आर यू प्रेझेंटली ॲट आत्ताच्या घडीला समजा एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याला बिझनेस स्टार्ट करायचा असेल तर त्यांना त्याचा विचार करायला पाहिजे की त्याच्या बिझनेस कुठल्या कंडिशनमध्ये आहे लेवलमध्ये आहे वेदर इट इज द कॉन्सेप्च्युअल फेज वेदर इट इज अ स्टार्टअप फेज और वेदर इट इज अ मॅच्युअर्ड बिझनेस एखाद्या स्टार्टअपला व्यवस्थित हँडल करण्यासाठी साधारणतः 3 वर्ष लागतात ओके आत्ताच्या घडीला मी इमिजिएटली स्टार्टअप करतो आणि मार्केटला उतरतो असं होत नाही okay you require some legal structure in case of your business you require to form a certain committee for that okay there is a certain members in case of that You need to register for the good startup, the agencies or incubator, and then you should take the you can support from the different agency. It may be the legal agency, or it may be the some technique form or something like this. Okay, then what is your current financial position, and what kind of the things you are addressing. Okay, so these all are nothing but the notes for to help the validate your every possible slides with the data. Okay, तो जो डेटा आहे ना तो तुमच्या स्वतःसाठी महत्वाचा आहे. Don't lie in case of the numbers. It is usually not a great idea because you think so. म्हणजे आपण जे स्वतःला हे म्हणतोय की माझी जी आयडिया आहे, माझे जे प्रॉडक्ट आहे सगळ्यात बेस्ट आहे, असं नाहीये. मार्केट सिच्युएशनवर डिपेंड करतं, लोकांवर डिपेंड करतं आहे की ते तुमची जी आयडिया आहे त्याला ते कसं व्हिज्युअलाइज करतात. वेदर दे व्हिज्युअलाइज इट इज परफेक्ट वन और दे से दैट या इट इज अ रॉ वन. सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड टू रिकग्नाइज दॅट इट वोंट वर्क. ते करेज पाहिजे की माझी जी आयडिया आहे ती काम करत नाहीये. मग वाय? बिकॉज यू नीड टू चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट. ओके, सो डायरेक्शन or drop it completely. The right idea might be the next one. Getting funded does not mean the success. एखाद्या खूप मोठ्या कंपनीकडून समजा तुम्हाला 10 करोड 20 करोड 100 करोड मिळाले याचा अर्थ तुम्हाला सक्सेस मिळाला असं नाहीये. ओके, आता तुम्ही एक हे होते, खूप मोठे आर्ट डायरेक्टर होते, देसाई म्हणून आहेत, ते कर्जत साईडला होते. ओके, त्यांनी आत्महत्या केलेली आहे. का? कारण की त्यांच्याकडे जवळपास एक जे फिल्म स्टुडिओ होतं ते जवळपास एक 300-400 करोडचं होतं, पण त्याच्यावर नंतर मग इतकं जास्त व्याज वाढलं किंवा त्याच्यावर इतकं जास्त कर्ज तयार झालं की त्यांना आत्महत्या करावी लागली. ओके, सो गेटिंग फंडेड डज नॉट मीन्स सक्सेस. सक्सेस इज अ समथिंग डिफरंट. ओके, success is not completely depend upon the funding, but success is depends upon the how good you are selling your product and how good you are earning the margin from the product or services. Okay, pitch less like a presentation, more like a story. म्हणजे जे आपण 1 मिनिटाचं जे पिच म्हणतो आहे ना, त्या पिचला इतकं सुंदर पद्धतीने तुम्ही स्टोरी टेलिंग जसं म्हणताय त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही एक्सप्लेन करा की जे लोकांना अपील व्हायला पाहिजे. The deck is not everything. It is a good starting point, but might not covering. And don't make the deck too long. ह्या काही साध्या साध्या गोष्टी आहेत that requires for the presentation. Now next the 15 minutes. Okay, we'll jump to the success story. Okay, so all these are nothing but the near about the 11, 12 success stories are there. Okay, all these are the Indian success stories. हे तुम्हाला माहिती असेल. अंजली मॅडम, माझा आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all the 11, 12 are the success story of the Indian people. Okay, the first example is a yo-yo. So the yo-yo is launched by the Ritesh Agrawal, and this the yo-yo business is concerned with the hospitality, launched in 2013. At present, they have the near about the 74,000 crores valuation. ओके, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना हे माहितीच असतं ना, योयो हॉटेल वगैरे सगळं माहिती असतं ना. कुठेही जावा तुम्ही, कुठल्याही मोठ्या सिटीमध्ये जा तुम्ही, योयोचे हॉटेल्स आहेत. त्याने काय केलेलं असेल, ते जे हॉटेल्स आहेत आमच्या एक लोकल जे तालुका प्लेस आहे जिथं मी राहतो त्या ठिकाणी हे योयोचे हॉटेल आहे. तुमच्या नाशिकमध्ये आहे, मुंबई पुण्यामध्ये सगळ्या ठिकाणी आहे. ह्या सगळ्यांची प्रॉपर्टी काय योयोने विकत घेतलेली आहे का? नाही. ओके, ती प्रॉपर्टी जी आहे ना त्याचे जे ओनर्स आहेत त्यांच्याकडेच आहे, ते जे हॉटेल मालक आहेत त्यांच्याकडेच आहे. ओके, त्या हॉटेल मालकाची कुठलीही प्रॉपर्टी योयोने परचेस केलेली नाही. द योयो डोंट हॅव द एनी यू कॅन से द प्रॉपर्टी इन द एनी सिटी, बट दे कनेक्ट ऑल द हॉटेल. दे मेक द सर्टन चेंजेस इन केस ऑफ ऑल द हॉटेल. म्हणजे तुमची रूम अशी असायला पाहिजे, त्याचे डेकोरेशन असं असायला पाहिजे, त्याच्यामध्ये बेडशीट असं असायला पाहिजे, गाद्या अशा असायला पाहिजे, किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये टी व्ही अशी असायला पाहिजे, त्याच्यामध्ये AC असायला पाहिजे, त्याच्यामध्ये ह्या फॅसिलिटी असायला पाहिजे, त्याच्यामध्ये किचनचं तुम्ही असं चेंजेस करा. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये बसण्याची जी अरेंजमेंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये हे करा, किंवा बाकीच्या सगळ्या ज्या फॅसिलिटी आहेत ना ह्या ज्या काही मायनर मॉडिफिकेशन आहे, दॅट मायनर मॉडिफिकेशन इज सजेस्टेड बाय योयो. Okay, and then they make the collaboration with the different hotels. So they have the at present the 800 cities across the 80 country, they have their own hotels means the collaborated hotel. So that is the yo-yo business is there. Okay, second one is nothing but the Paytm. Just now so this is nothing but it is the fintech company. The fintech company, you can see that the money wallet is there, and it is started in the 2010 by the Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Okay, so the you can say that the peak period of that particular all the fintech company is nothing but the corona period is there. So whatever the transaction is there, na, money transaction is there, that money transaction is through the such kind of the fintech company. So Paytm is there, Google, GPay is there. Okay, so all that company is there. That are the fintech company. So present valuation of the Paytm is around the 15 billion US dollar. Okay. The third one is nothing but the Flipkart. So Flipkart is also the e-commerce the company. They are selling the different products from this company. Okay, and once again this company started in 2007 by the two brothers Sachin Bansal and Vinny Bansal. The present valuation of the Flipkart is a 24 billion US dollar. ओके. आत्ताच्या घडीला ही जी फ्लिपकार्ट कंपनी आहे त्याला वॉलमार्टने टेक ओव्हर केलं. मगाशी आपण जे डिस्कस केलेलं आहे एक्झिट पॉलिसी, त्या एक्झिट पॉलिसीमध्ये दिस इज द व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वन, that whenever you are taking the funding from the other agency, you need to give the sharing to that particular company. Okay, so this is the very big risk is there ना. म्हणजे कुठल्या बँकेकडून लोन घेतोय, कुठल्या व्यक्तीकडून लोन घेतोय, कुठल्या ऑर्गनायझेशन कडून लोन घेतोय, कुठल्या वेंचर कॅपिटलिस्ट कडून तुम्ही लोन घेताय. ओके, यू नीड टू गिव्ह द शेअरिंग टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर कंपनी. आणि हे शेअरिंग घेता हा तुम्ही समजा त्याचे जे इतर कंपनीचे शेअरिंग आहे हे 50% वर जात असेल, ओके, देन दॅट इज अ व्हेरी बिग रिस्क. म्हणजे एखाद्या आईने आपलं बाळ खूप मोठं करावं आणि त्या बाळ मोठं झाल्याच्या नंतर त्यांनी मार्केटमध्ये हे केल्याच्या नंतर त्याच्यावर कोणीतरी वेगळ्या कंपनीने वेगळ्या लोकांनी त्याच्यावर आपली मक्तेदारी दाखवायची. ओके, हे तशा पद्धतीनं हे आहे. ओके, तर फ्लिपकार्ट कंपनी म्हणा किंवा कुठल्याही कंपनीमध्ये म्हणा, when you can say that the sharing, you are able to handle that particular the sharing, and if you are not able to handle that particular the sharing, okay, then you need to plan for the exit. Okay, मला वाटतं एअर वगैरे समथिंग काहीतरी आहे त्या कंपनीमध्ये पण हे असंच झालेलं आहे. ओके, yes, Swiggy launched in the 2014 by the three people, Nandan Reddy, Rahul Gemini and Sriharsha Mejiti. Okay, so this is the food tech company. So initially they started that particular the company in Bangalore, and then they expand that particular the company with the initially with the 6 delivery executive with only the 25 partners. Okay, at present they have the 2.1 lakh delivery executives across the 300 cities of the India, and currently the company handles the 1.4 million food orders daily. So there the valuation is a 3.3 billion American dollar. Ola Cabs launched in 2010 by the Bhavish Agrawal and Ankit Bhatti. They are the IIT Bombay graduates. Okay, and present you can say the valuation is a 6.2 billion dollar. So they are providing the mobility services in the country, and at present in the other country also like UK, Australia and the New Zealand. Then the Book My Show company is launched in the 1999 by the Ashish Hemrajini, Parikshit and Rajesh Balpande. Okay, so this is the online ticket booking company. Now this is the, in today's market it is a very common one to book any show, any travel company or anything through the online one. This company they started in the 1999, and there the present valuation is nothing but the 1 billion American dollar. Okay, the same people also start the new company called as a Make My Trip travel agency company, and the valuation of that particular the company is at 23.5 billion American dollar. So they launched that particular company in the 2000. The same people are there involved there. Okay, this is the e-education, e-learning the company started by the Baiju Ravidran and Divya Gokulnath. So they the couple is there. They started this particular company in 2008. The present valuation of the company is the 5 billion American dollar. Okay. Then one more company, the Big Basket e-commerce. They provide the food and grocery, the platform. The company launched in the 2011. मी शाहरुखची ॲडव्हर्टाईज पण ह्या कंपनीसाठी बघितलेली असेल, बिग बास्केटसाठी. The founders of the company, the Hari Menon, V.S. Sudhakar, V.S. Ramesh, Vipul Parekh, and Abhinay Chowdhury. Okay. The valuation of this company, the 1.2 billion American dollar. Nykaa company. Okay, मगाशी मी ह्या कंपनीचं नाव कोट केलेलं होतं. So she the IIM Ahmedabad alumni, and she run that particular the business for the fashion and the beauty, Nykaa, in 2012. So present valuation is around the 750 million American dollar. Then this is also the Car 24 company, 2015. Vikram Chopra is there. The industry is the automotive one, and used for the selling and the buying platform for the cars. Then pharmaceutical company, Farm AG, 2015. Founders are the Dharmil Sheth, Dhaval Shah, and Nikhil Inani. The company run for the e-commerce of the healthcare, and the estimated annual valuation is 64.7 million American dollars. Okay, so these are the success story of the India. Okay, and my name. So all about this is there. Now the platform is open for the question and answer. So, Anjali madam. Yes, madam. आवाज येतोय?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. आवाज
Yeah.
येतोय.
Thank you very much once again for the KK College of Pharmacy, all the faculty, principal, respected principals, IQAC coordinator, event coordinator, and everyone, the staff members of the KK College of Engineering, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to interact with the students, young buddies, those who wish to develop or who wish to run the startup company. Okay, so whatever I know that now I'm in position to share the things related with the startup with anyone. Okay, so the platform is open for you for the question and answer.
Students are requested to post the questions or directly ask the question. Sir, question by Akshay Chauhan.
Yeah.
He is asking that how is evaluation of company calculated?
Evaluation of the company calculated.
No, valuation, sir. Valuation.
Yes, valuation of the company calculated. It is depend upon the number of the parameters. One is nothing but the base upon the what you say that the bank statement or the income expenditure statement. That is the first one. Second one is nothing but they consider the means the growth, the future growth of the company. Okay. Then the one more thing is nothing but the market covered by that particular company. So if I'm say that the first year, second year, third year, or the fifth year of that particular the progress, okay, then how much area, how much market I covered, okay, and similarly, in case of the income expenditure, what is the value of my business. So like that, it is not depend upon the one parameter; it depends upon the multiple parameters, and based upon that particular the parameters, we can calculate the valuation. Because the for the means somebody would like to invest in your company, then calculation of the valuation is also the important one.
Thank you, sir. Sir, another question is, any government schemes for help in startups or as financial help asked by the
Yeah. There are the so many schemes are there. There are the so many incubation available there. You can register for that any incubation. Number of the banks the good, you can say that the means the top cream institute like the IIT, IIM, they also have their own incubation. Our university is also having their own incubation. Okay, so there are the good incubation available in the nearby. You can select that particular the incubation from your nearby area. Okay, you register there. After the registration, you can ask for the funding from the incubation itself or the government itself. Okay, or the central government itself. So there is a huge the opportunity available for you, for the young body, okay, to involve in the startup, and there is a good amount of the funding is also available in the market.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one more question from our faculty, Dr. Vaibhav Bhamre. Mudra loan scheme is in function.
I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know about
Okay,
that.
sir.
I need to.
Okay.
I need.
Yes, sir, audible. All the questions are answered.
Yeah. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So as we come to the end of the session, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for your active participation and insightful contribution. I express my heartfelt gratitude towards Dr. Sanjay Khobragade, sir. Just I call him and he immediately accepted the invitation. Thank you, sir. And thank you for guiding our students about the basics things related to startup, starting from the market analysis, market strategy, then market adoption, as well as the funding stages, everything. Thank you, sir, for that. I would also like to express my gratitude towards our management, our principal, sir, Dr. Kishore Salunke, sir, for permitting us to organize this session. Special thanks to our IQAC coordinator, Dr. R.D. Amrutkar, academic coordinator, Dr. A.R. Surana. Also, I'm very thankful to the Miss Sanika madam as well as Gokul Jadhav sir for their technical support, and also thankful to all the persons who directly or indirectly involved for making this session successful. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation and guiding our students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.